we're now going to set up our settings, our eBay store settings. So we go to Blacklister, login, we go to app settings. If you're going to be listing in the US, you choose the US settings. If you want to list in the UK, you want to choose UK settings. The very first thing we want to do is our seller profiles. Usually, when you start selling on eBay, you have to set up your profile in your eBay store or your eBay site. You don't have to have a store to set up your profile. You either going to have a business seller account where you have to set up your business policies or personal policies. But either way, you're going to have to set it up. Now, to set up our seller profiles with Blacklister, so this is the settings that's going to be added to your listing. So each listing that you do via Blacklister, you're going to have these settings that you choose to have. If you have already set up your settings in eBay itself, all you have to do is use seller profile. So the seller profile is what you already have in eBay, in your eBay. Because it's already linked with your eBay, so you already linked your store with Blacklister, you can choose yes and then just have all the listings and update profiles. Then all your settings will be added to Blacklister. You know, your payment profile, how you're going to be paid, immediate payment, etc., etc. Your return profile and your shipment seller profile. That would all be done for you automatically because you've already done it on eBay. And if that's correct, you can just update the profiles and it will automatically set up for you. Okay. If you don't, we can do it all manually. We're going to do it all manually in here. Now, the profit percentage is what you are going to use when you list an item using Blacklister. Now, the profit percentage, for example, if you wanted to have percentage of profit on each item that you list, say, for example, you want to have 20% profit. This is what your profit would be after eBay fees, after PayPal fees, after vendor taxes. Okay, so eBay fees are 10%. PayPal fees are, well, it depends. You'll have to call PayPal and ask them what your exact fees are. Usually, if you're a beginner, it's 3.9%. It goes all the way down to 1.9% the more you sell. So let's go with 3.9% for this video here, but you can call PayPal and PayPal will tell you exactly what your PayPal fees are. Your vendor tax is if you have any taxes that you pay to your suppliers extra, you can add that in here if you so wanted to, if it was not part of your margins. Okay, so vendor tax we can put to 0 if you don't pay vendor tax, if it's not added to your profits. So if you added like a 20% VAT, you can just add it here and add 20% on. Okay, if you wanted to have a fixed margin, for example, you wanted to make at least £5, for example, per sale, you can have that. If your minimum margin, you know, because your minimum margin, you're going to say you want to make at least £1. Okay, so the PayPal fees, usually PayPal fees has a percentage and then it also has a set fee. For example, in the US, you pay 30 cents extra on each sale. That never gets refunded. Even if you refund the customer or they return the item, you always lose out on that 20p, which is in the UK, and 30 cents which is in the US. So let's make it 20p for PayPal fees margin. It's always going to be that for the UK, and it's always going to be 30 cents for the US. Now, this is creating your formula for your listing. So every time that you make a listing with Blacklister, these are the formula settings that is going to be used in your listing itself. Whenever you want to add extra profit, for example, you want to add 50% profit, you have to go back to your settings and change it here. Then this will change it for all listings that you do via Blacklister.